How do I delete old email addresses from my contacts, address book?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to delete old email addresses from your contacts or address book. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to clean up your contact list and remove those outdated email addresses. Let's get started.
Accessing your contacts, address book.
The first step is to access your contacts or address book. The process may vary depending on the email service or application you're using. Here are some common platforms and how to access your contacts. Gmail. Open Gmail and click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, the grid of squares. Then select Contacts. Outlook. Open Outlook and click on the People icon in the lower left corner. Apple Mail. Open Apple Mail and click on the Contacts tab in the lower left corner.
Locating the old email addresses.
Now that you've accessed your contacts or address book, it's time to locate the old email addresses you want to delete. Depending on the platform you're using, there are a few ways to find them. Search. Use the search bar within your contacts or address book to look for specific email addresses or keywords related to the old addresses. Sort. Sort your contacts by date added or last contacted to identify older entries. Groups or categories. If you have organized your contacts into groups or categories, check those specific sections for old email addresses.
Deleting the old email addresses.
Once you've identified the old email addresses, it's time to delete them. Here's how you can do it. Individual deletion. If you have only a few old email addresses to remove, you can delete them one by one. Select the contact or entry containing the email address and look for the delete option. It is usually represented by a trash bin or a delete icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Bulk deletion. If you have a large number of old email addresses to remove, you may want to use the bulk deletion feature. Look for a checkbox or selection option next to each contact or entry. Check the boxes corresponding to the old email addresses you want to delete, and then find the bulk delete option. This option may be located in a menu, toolbar, or under the Action section. Confirm the deletion when prompted.
Confirming deletion.
After deleting the old email addresses, it's a good idea to double-check to ensure they have been removed successfully. Here's what you can do. Search again. Use the search function within your contacts or address book to look for the deleted email addresses. If they don't appear in the search results, it means they have been successfully deleted. Spot check. Manually review a few contacts or entries to ensure the old email addresses are no longer present. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to delete old email addresses from your contacts or address book. By removing outdated information, you'll keep your contact list organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Have a great day!